Hey guys, this is Kellen from electricwheelchairsusa.com. In this video, we are going to show the upgraded dual seat, which has recently been offered as an option to the Cheeta Ninja. So a lot of people have asked if there's a dual seat available. Range Transporter has listened to that feedback, and you now have the option to upgrade to the dual seat. When you do upgrade, it does come standard with the regular single seat, so you're going to get both seats. There are armrests as well that come with it, and we're going to show how to take off the single seat and then put on the dual seat. Now, before we get into this, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We have lots of videos coming out showcasing different products, and we also have a catalog that is out now. So you can call us to ask for one, or you can go to our website. There's an area at the top of the site where you can request one. It's free. And if it's something that you want to have in your hands, as opposed to looking online, it's a great option. So definitely request one if you would like one. It takes about 10 days or less to get one. So let's get into it. Now, to take off the seat, it's pretty simple. It just pops right off. And you can't just pull up, you do have to pull this one lever to the side. This is what swivels it. And if you pull that, it should pop right off, just like that. Now, one thing you can do with the seat on the Cheeta Ninja, whether it's a single or the dual seat, there's a seat post that is adjustable. So if you're taller, you can raise it up, or if you're shorter, you can bring it down. When you receive it, it's probably going to be in the lowest setting. And it's important to have that, especially if you're taller or if you're using the dual seat. I would probably advise to move it up. So I'm actually going to put this to the highest point for the dual seat. And there's just a little pin that I pulled out, and I lined it up and just slid it through. And now we can put the dual seat on. You just line up the male piece with the female. It'll slide right in there, and it needs to lock into place. So now it's locked into place. And to get the armrest in, there are two little holes here that the armrest will line up with. I'm going to move the seatbelt out of the way. So again, it does come with a seatbelt, just like the single seat. These armrests are width adjustable. So I'm actually going to adjust them out a little further. So you can see here's where the seat is, and I'm actually adjusting them out. The armrests are also angle adjustable. You can raise this with a wrench, and you can adjust the angle however you'd like. And when you adjust the width, you're using this knob here. One thing to note, there's actually two seat belts. So there's one on each side. So you have a seat belt for one passenger on this side, and then there's a seat belt for the other passenger. The seat also swivels as a dual seat. So the single seat swivels, and so does the dual. But with the dual seat, it's going to be hard to swivel with this back basket on here. So that's something to keep in mind. This little lever, you can swivel it, but you see how the basket gets in the way? All right, so I've removed this bolt on the back to remove the back basket. Now, when you do that, you can swivel the seat completely to the side. Now, it looks like it's going to get in the way of the tiller if you do that. So it's something to keep in mind. Like if you did that, you probably have to remove the armrest in order to swivel it completely. But you do have that option. And the armrests flip up, so if you don't want to swivel, you can flip it up to get out. Now, full transparency about the seat, which you need to be aware of. It is a dual seat, but it is 30 inches wide. So something to keep in mind. Now, you can sit in here with two people. This foot platform, it's going to be a little snug to have two people, right? to place their feet here. But one person, you know, you could put your foot up here if you wanted to. But if you adjust these armrests out, which we have done, it gives you more of a seating area. So right now I'm sitting on one side. This is about halfway right here. I'm a pretty big person. I'm 6'4", weigh about 230 pounds. So a second person could definitely sit here at my size. I mean, it's going to be snug. So if you're around like 6 foot, 6'1", two of you, your average kind of build, you can sit here. I would just say, make sure you adjust the armrest out to give you more of a seating area. I think that's one thing that probably should keep in mind. If you want just a more comfortable seat, as opposed to the standard seat, which is just more a stadium style seat, it does have a padding, but if you want just a bigger seating area, something with headrests that are adjustable, these both adjust up, and just more padding in general, the dual seat's definitely a good option. So if you guys are interested in a nice dual seat mobility scooter that's capable of tackling tough terrain, the Cheeta Ninja with the dual seat's a great choice. It's a more affordable option than a lot of the other dual seat scooters on the market. It has a rugged design. Again, 500-pound weight capacity. Give us a call. We're open every day. We have agents standing by. Or you can visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com and definitely give us a call. If you're looking for a great deal, we can take care of you. Again, our phone number is 1-800-682-9444. Or again, visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com.